This is our 100th video, and in this video I am going to felicitate our great Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi, as today is his 70th birthday in the year 1950, September 17th. He got birth at Vadnagar of Gujarat. So I dedicate this video to him, and at the same time I respect him and I feel very proud of making this video in his name, related with spoken Hindi, formation of easy sentences. Let us go into the video. I welcome every one of you. Prime Minister. There are words we use. Prime Minister, for which we use Pradhana Mantri. Pradhan Mantri. Like that, let us first write some words in English, then let us translate them into Hindi, then let us make it in sentences. You can see our Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi in this picture, and let us write the sentences about him. Narendra Modi India is our nation. India, we write like Bharat. Bharat, our nation. Hamara desh hai. Hamara is our nation, desh. देश है, भारत हमारा देश है. मोदी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं. मोदी इज आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. मोदी जी. Say after a name, if you add G, it gives respect. So we'll add G. मोदी जी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं. प्रधान मंत्री हैं. Here we have to use हैं. After that dot. The dot will give the respect to the personality. मोदी जी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं. Next we will have his full name. Full, पूरा, name, नाम. आपका पूरा नाम. आपका पूरा नाम नरेंद्र. फुल नेम दामोदर दास. मोदी जी हैं. इनका पिताजी, whose father, will write आपका पिताजी का नाम. ओके, मोदी जी के. मोदी जी के means whose. पिता दामोदर मूलचंद मोदी हैं. दामोदर मूलचंद मोदी हैं. दामोदर मूलचंद मोदी हैं. हु, मोदी के पिता. हुस मदर, माता. हीरा बेन. Modi ji ki. Here K comes because of father. Ki is for feminine. Modi ji ki mata हीरा बेन हैं. What about Modi's father? What type of work he had? He was very poor. He was very poor. So let us have, when his father is poor, he is also poor. So let us write Modi, poor, poor we say Garib. Garib hai. Now we will write Modi's father owned a tea shop. He had a tea shop. He was a tea shopping. Okay. Modi के पिता, will write in a short way. Tea is chai. Okay. Wherever you add the word wala, it becomes related with that something what is in front of that. Doodh wala, milk seller. Chai wala, tea seller. Sabji wala, vegetable seller. So let us have tea seller. Chai wala. Chai wala, respect will be hain. Chai wala hain. Chai wala hain. Right? Modi बहुत गरीब है. He was very poor. Everything we won't take it in the past tense. We will have it in the present tense. Okay. So let us then we will go to other sentences. भारत हमारा देश है. भारत हमारा देश है. Our nation. मोदी जी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री हैं. मोदी जी इज आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर. आपका पूरा नाम नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी है. आपका, आप मीन्स यू. हियर इट विल बी हिज. आपका हिज फुल नेम, पूरा नाम नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी है. मोदी जी के पिता दामोदर मूलचंद मोदी हैं. Modi's father is Damodar Mulchand Modi. Nothing you see, very easy. We have already written the name. Okay, whose father will be K Pita. If it is mother, Ki Mata. It is brother, K Bai. Sister, Ki Bahan. That's all. Modi ji ki mata Hira Ben hai. Here you see Modi ji. K masculine, respect. Ki feminine. Pita, Mata. दामोदर मूलचंद हीरा बेन हैं. That's all. Next you see मोदी गरीब है. मोदी अमीर नहीं है. He is not rich enough. He is poor. He was under poverty. Okay. मोदी गरीब है. मोदी के पिता चाय वाला है. You can make it चाय वाले, but we will write, let us write चाय वाला है. Now after go through these sentences, now we are going to write the characters of the person or any individual, and we will see with Modi. Here I have given some qualities of the great personality. Let us see how it suits with Narendra Bhai Modi. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. In Hindi, people will say Narendra Modi. Instead of Narendra Modi, people will say Narendra Bhai. Bhai means brother in Hindi. Narendra Bhai Modi. So let us have that word Narendra Bhai Modi ji. It is in English Modi. In Hindi Modi. Modi ji. Narendra Bhai Modi ji. And let us see other sentences. Everyone has their own self-teacher. Atma Guru we say. And Narendra Bhai Modi's Atma Guru is Swami Vivekananda. And let us write the sentence. For everything we write aapka. Aapka means his. Okay, this is also the way of writing. Aapka. Or you can write Narendra Modi ka. Okay. Atma Guru. Atma Guru. Swami Vivekananda hai. Swami Vivekananda hai. The other sentence will go with some other good qualities like good man, good person, good personality. Let us write Modi ji अच्छे आदमी हैं. अच्छे आदमी हैं. Instead of आदमी you can write इंसान also. इंसान. Let us write इंसान. Or you can write vyakti also. Vyakti. That also the sentence, right? Now, instead of one sentence, we are making three sentences here. You can see, मोदी जी अच्छे आदमी हैं, और अच्छे इंसान हैं, और अच्छे व्यक्ति हैं. What the other quality we have? The hard working, like Mahatma Gandhi, or like somebody. Modi ji hard working. We say parishrami. Parishram. Shram means shramam. Shram means work. Parishram means hard work. So the same word has become the adjective or the noun. Parishrami. Parishrami. Or you can write mehnati also. Mehnati is hard work. Mehnati also you can write. Mehnati hai. And we will have patriotic. Patriotic. Patriotic is Desha Bhakta. Desha Bhakta. Modi ji, like us, we are also patriotic only. We are also patriotic only. Desha Bhakta hai. Desha Bhakta. And here I am going to write the opposite of that. He has patriotism. He doesn't have X. What is X? Here we have Parishrami Mehnati. Here I want to tell the opposite of that, hard working, laziness. That is Alasi. Alasi, which he does not have. Why I am telling is, when I am writing the sentence, you will know the opposite also. So that you can make, so for somebody you can make some other sentence. Next comes the Modi ji Desha Bhakta hai. What is the opposite? Desha Bhakta, patriotic. Opposite is Desha Drohi, right? Desha Drohi. Here I will write. Desha Drohi. That's not that. Okay? Right. And also no need to write here. Okay. Modi ji Desha Bhakta hai. Next is a good speaker. Good here in sense very fluent, pakka, fantastic. So we will have Kushal. Kushal means skilled. Modi ji Kushal. Speaker we say Vakta, Bhashan Karta, Vakta. Okay? Vakta hai. Vakta hai. Next, speaker over. Next, honest. Honest is Imandar. Imandar is honest. Modi ji Imandar hai. That's all. Imandar, honest. Okay. Poor. Already we have written. They Garib hai. Garib is poor. Let us write here again. मोदी जी गरीब हैं. Okay, right. Next we will write vegetarian. He eats only vegetarian. Okay, vegetarian is called Shakahari. Non-veg is Mansahar. He is Shakahari. Like Parisram becomes Parisrami, Shakahar becomes Shakahari. Modi ji Shakahari हैं. Next, true speaking. सच बोलने वाले हैं. मोदी जी सच, सत्य, एनीथिंग, सत्य बोलने वाले हैं. नेक्स्ट, fearless निडर. डर मीन्स fear. निडर, fearless. Fearful, डरपोक, coward. Okay, here निडर. मोदी जी निडर हैं. or we can say साहसी also. साहसी also we can say. Next, soft is अहिंसा और नम्र. हिंसावादी नहीं है, अहिंसावादी है. लीडर नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, we say, right? नेता is leader. मोदी जी कुशल नेता हैं. and dutiful कर्तव्य पूर्ण. Let you know that. Next, pet name. There is a pet name for him. Naru. People will call him Naru. Like that also. Okay, pet name. Okay. Next, administrator. Prashasak is administrator. And we will have a conclusion here. As today is the birthday of Narendra Bhai Modi in the year 1950, September 17th, in Vadnagar of Gujarat, he has got birth. And to felicitate him, we have selected the personality Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, and we made so many sentences about him in the easiest way. And this is just to show how we can make the sentences. As the Prime Minister of India, I salute, I bow my head before him on this happiest occasion. Let the nation go into the peak. Let all of us be in happy and enjoy Mother India's happiness. Namaste. Dhanyavad.